Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you need to be out in the cold weather or snow, then you definitely need the right clothing to do it. These great snow pants from Arctix are going to keep you nice and warm and dry despite any cold weather. These snow pants are an overall style that is completely adjustable with the straps on the top. They also have a nice lining and nice deep pockets in case you need to take something with you outside. I really also appreciate that they have a liner on the inside that will easily fit into your boots, keeping you extra warm. The overalls are a great fit. So this is the medium size, and I have a complete outfit underneath, and you can easily put your coat over them as well. Whether it's to be outside in the snow shoveling or out for a walk or even having a lot of fun sledding, you definitely want a nice pair of overalls that will really keep you warm and insulated. I really like these because of that overall style. You don't have to worry about any snow going in your back, but rather they're going to keep you nice and warm during the cold months. But that's my point of view.